In this video, guys, we're going to look at building a pathway to live trading from demo. Stay tuned. Hey guys, warm welcome to you. All right, so this video is now a channel sponsor and our partner, and if you want to check them out, there's a link in the description below. CFDs, SpreadBet, MT4, MT5 and CTrader, and these guys do allow you to open a demo account and just try out trading with the platform of your choice. So say for example, you want to use CTrader, open a demo account and get familiar with it. But the key thing here, guys, is you can't stay on a demo forever. If you want to actually realize some of those returns into real money, if you want to actually trade with real money, you have to go to live. And you can get stuck in this trap of trading on demo all the time. And I know a lot of traders who are kind of trading on demo, and then they kind of go to live, and it's such a big jump. And it's, you know, my advice has always been this. By the way, you know the risk with trading. You see the disclaimer at the end of the video. Be sure to check it out. You understand the risk of loss. So moving from demo to live does obviously expose you to real risks in the market, but you can't have reward without risk. And hopefully you understand that. You wouldn't be here in the first place. But that friction, that can be a friction process, can be a lot of friction in that process. So the idea is to use the demo really as a very, very short period of time. Get yourself into live with small money as quick as possible is my recommendation, but of course, only when you're ready to take the risk on, an actual real world risk. So the first thing to kind of building this pathway from demo to live, if you're a brand new trader, definitely start out on demo. If you're on demo now, maybe this will help you transition to live money, is you're familiar with the platform. That's really the purpose of demo in my eyes. Yeah, you could say, some people argue that it's to develop a strategy and this, that, and the other, and fine. You know, if you use it for that, that's okay. But really, the key to the demo is just understanding where the tickets are, what does what the little quirks of the platform are that are different to others. And guys, if I'm using a new platform, I don't just go straight away and just start firing off live orders or live money. I'll get a demo out and have a little look around. I'll see what does what. What does this extra button do? What if I click this? What if I do this? And of course, I'm familiar with a lot of platforms. I've been trading for 20 years. I understand the nature of them, but everyone's got their little quirks. And if I haven't used it before, then I'll look and see, hey, there's one-click trading happen on the chart. If I add this stop, how does it trigger? Just the little things that I know I want to make sure. Once I've done that, then I'm going to move to live money. So demo, really, you're familiar with the platform. Big tick in the box. If you get that, you're ready past the first step. The second is you've got a robust risk management system in place. So crucial, guys. I don't need to kind of bang the drum on this. You know, I said at the end of most videos, keep your risk managed. It's so important, because without capital, you just can't trade. It's as simple as that. You could top it up, but at some point you'll run out of capital. So without it, you cannot trade. It's a tool that we need. And having a robust risk management strategy in place, how much size you're going to trade, a position size, how much you're prepared to risk per trade, how much you're prepared to risk per day, per week, per month, how much you're going to put in your trading account, all that needs to be dialed down. That's a whole topic in itself, but that needs doing. You can't just go, hey, I understand the market, let's get trading. How much should I put in? 20 grand, 2 grand, 100 grand. You can't do that. You have to have a plan of action. So you've got a robust risk management system in place. The third thing is you're happy. No one's happy to lose, but you're happy to lose. And I know that you see this and you get a bit blind to the risks, risk disclaimers and stuff, but they're there for a reason, guys. You know, a lot of people will lose money trading. And so you have to, we're trying to separate ourselves, of course, that's your task, to try to separate yourself from that crowd and to make money in trading and to do the things and studying like this and reading books and spending time and developing your strategy and your system and your risk management. All this stuff will set you apart from the people who are struggling, but you still got to understand that, you know, if you're first starting out with trading, you've got to be happy to lose what you put in. You know, there's a big chance that you lose that money. And so sticking in your last 100 grand or the money you just made or whatever it is, it doesn't make any sense. Put in a little bit of money, just get the juices flowing, get the ball rolling, stick in a little bit of cash, just get that taste for live money. Get a feel for how it actually feels when you have money on the line. Very, very different from demo. So you're happy to lose with the money and you accept it. And one way it's easy to do is to go, okay, imagine your trading account's halved. How would you feel? You're frustrated. Would you feel devastated? No, I'm okay to carry on. That's fine. How about if you lost all? And going through that process and then finding a number that suits you as a number to put into your trading accounts. For a lot of money to open a real world live money trading account, you can start with a relatively small amount. Number four, you've defined strategies to use. I'm a bit kind of loose with this. I'm not strict with this. If I was kind of, you asked me for a recommendation specifically, I'd say I think you should have a strategy to use, but at the same time, I personally want people off demo and live as quick as possible, even if it's a small amount of money. So if you haven't quite got the strategy yet, okay, but at least something broad, like, okay, I'm going to trade these currency pairs, I'm going to trade this kind of moving average strategy, I'm going to trade this, I'm going to trade that, just a broad thing. Then you can refine it once you've got real money on the line. I don't think necessarily you have to have it completely nailed down. I'd rather you get to live money first, obviously accepting risk, understanding that, rather than staying on demo for too long. So that's number 4. The 5th one is your transition isn't made into some big event. This is a big one, guys. I see many traders making this mistake. They're on demo, they're on demo, they're on demo, and they go, right, I'm ready now. I'm ready to go live. Okay, got my money in there. Right, okay, I'm gonna start on Monday. Right, they log into the live account and they make this such a big event. And of course, the first day they lose money and they feel devastated, like, oh, I've done all this prep on demo and I prepared this and I've done risk management, I've done that, and now I've taken my first couple of trades and it's a loser. Oh, I'm doomed to failure. I'm not gonna make it as a trader. Don't make it this big event, guys. You know, just do not make it. You do not want the extra pressure. Just consider it as a normal day and I'm risking a little bit of money on the trade instead of demo. And expect to draw down. So you know what? I'm probably going to win the week down because that's just how it will work. Because I'm so focused on it, I so want it so bad, I'm going to make mistakes. I'm going to do this, I'm going to do that. The market might end up being a different type of environment. But you know what? Doesn't matter. I'm just going to trade live, and the focus for me is to trade with a live account with this strategy in this way. It's not a focus to make money. So making it a big event can make so much pressure. So remove that pressure. It's not a big event, you're going from demo to live. It's just a standard part of your evolution as a trader. You're just going to go in there, trade this time now, real money instead of demo money, trade the same way you've been trading on demo, trade your strategies, your system, your approach, and expect to be, have the first couple of weeks is not so great, but bedding in, getting used to it, getting used to the feel for it, then you can start to put the throttle down, then you can start to grow, then you can start to scale up, and all the other good things that come with trading. Guys, do check out our channel sponsor. You know the stuff, but go and check them out, see if they're right for you. You want a spare broker, backup broker, another primary broker, they're there, they might be right for you. Take care, see you next one, bye-bye.